Smoke until a stupid state, stay until it's late. Sweet like chocolate cake, tart just like the shit I roll off paper plates. Search for sweet escape because inside I feel I'm dying slow. I tell you all that.
Oh yeah, here we go. Oh yeah. Challenger, Porsche. What do we got? Custom 2011 Camaro, 69 Camaro, 67 Camaro, Bentley Continental, Corvette Stingray. Ooh. Mazda RX-3, dude. We got a ZR1 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What else we doing there? Dang, that's cool. Little Baja 914. Ooh. I mean, we can't just give them like whack ones, you know? We gotta pick cool ones at least. Dude. Oh. 68 Shelby GT Flames. That's kind of tight. Well, I gotta get a couple of these for myself too, right? What are those up there? Nothing crazy. Holograms. Muscle bound. Oh, Pagani Hura. There you go. Wow. That's kind of tight. Dude. Not bad. Oh. Is that an El Viento? No, that's what I was thinking it was. Dang. A-Class Mercedes. That thing's bitching too. Not bad. That's not bad. Not bad, dude. First haul. I'm gonna make some kids happy this year, man. For real. Everybody's kind of been struggling this year. It's been a tough one. It's a tough one for me too. I'm not rich. You know what I'm saying? But I just want to do something for the kids. We really do. And whether I'm gonna do a little spiel on this in a little bit. Hold on! Oh. What is going on, my dogs, man? We coming to you live with another one right now. And I got this idea. It might be a crazy idea, but it's been spawned by a multitude of different things, and also kickstarted by another thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop some information on you guys right now. All right. am going to start collecting Hot Wheels. Okay? I reached out to Hot Wheels about doing something like a co-collab this year. I can't even get all these things together. I reached out to Hot Wheels about doing a co-collab this year to try to give kids in our town who may be struggling, whose parents may be struggling from coronavirus or whatever else, for whatever other reason this year. I wanted to reach out to Hot Wheels and try to do something for the kids. And I didn't ask them for a lot of anything. I just asked them for some cars, you know, maybe some tracks, some different things. And they denied me. They told me that they can't help me. They don't even have any money. And I was kind of like, or they've already allocated all of their donation funds or whatever else. But it's just kind of like, I was like, that's kind of whack. You know, because Hot Wheels is an important thing to me as I was growing up, and I know this is an important thing to other kids as they're growing up. And I really think that this is, you know, something mutually beneficial for children, and it would be something good to give them. So, forget Hot Wheels. Screw them as a company. We're going to do this ourselves. So we're doing a little toy drive, and I want to try to collect, whether it's donations, whether you want to donate to the fund, or you want to donate actual Hot Wheels, and you want to, you know, go out and shop yourself and send them in. And you don't even have to send them to me, you know? You really don't. But what we're going to try to do for the next 2 to 3 weeks is collect as many Hot Wheels as possible, or funds to go buy Hot Wheels as possible, buy as many Hot Wheels as possible, and give them to a bunch of kids in need. Probably, I don't know if I was going to reach out to Toys for Tots. I might do that and just kind of see what their stipulations are, or like timing wise, and you know, when and where and whatever else. But this also tied into something else. I started doing this like 2 weeks ago, and I reached out to them and I asked them for some help, and they just got back to me recently. But we actually signed on for a rally that we're going to be doing on Saturday for Sarasota Cars and Coffee for Toys for Tots. So depending on how many people respond to this, or how many people actually reach out and do something with us, will determine, you know, how we proceed with this. But these are my first donations right here. Okay, I'm gonna try to get 100 of these myself and give these to the kids, okay, this year, because I'm only filming this, and I'm really filming this not to be like, oh, look at what he's doing, like this is cool, or look at me, blah blah blah. It's more so that I just feel like there's kids out there and families out there who really do need help this year. And if you can donate $10 or $1 and go out and buy a Hot Wheels car and either ship it to me or send it, or figure out how to get this in the hands of kids in your own community who may need your help, you know, or may need our help, or may just need something like for a cool little toy for Christmas. It'd be in all of our greatest interests and the benefit of our society if we all did so. So, that being said, Auction Dog is doing a toy drive. I'm gonna drop a link in the description below of this video of how we're gonna do this, and I don't really know if I wanna do a GoFundMe because they take some of the money and it would just be counterproductive to what we're actually trying to do. So I'm gonna try to find a you know, some sort of, you know, platform that allows us to do this and keep most of the money, because that's what's most important. And then every single dollar is going to be spent on cars and tracks and different things for different kids, and is probably do cars because this spreads out the furthest and we can get more cars into more kids' hands as possible. That's possible, rather than tracks that cost $20 or $30, whatever else. All of these cost 94 cents. And so we can really make a difference with this. And it doesn't even have to be a bunch, you know what I'm saying? It could just be a little bit. It would really make a kid's day, dude, to have stuff like this if his family can't provide. So, or his or her family can't provide, you know? So this is all inclusive. Everybody's involved in this one. So, thank you very much for tagging along this year. Auction Dog has grown immensely this year, and I've been having so much fun with it all, and it's just only due possible to all of you guys and all of our subscribers and followers and everybody else who engages with the content and everybody else who really enjoys it. It makes me so stoked. It makes me wake up every single day really happy about what I have going on and what we've all, you know, just generally created in a year. Like it's just so awesome, and I like the business plan is all going as planned. And this thing's about to blow up, straight up. So, thank you very much. I hope to talk to all of you, or I hope to hear from all of you. If you can, please donate to the link below, or reach out to me, say, hey, I got some Hot Wheels, I want to send them your way, I'll send you my information, and we'll get this happening. So, thank you very much. Peace out, my dogs. Happy holidays, and thank you very much for your time and effort. Honestly, it's fantastic. It really is.